Metal braces are the most widely used orthodontic treatment in the United States, with millions of Americans choosing them for effective teeth straightening. These braces use high-quality stainless steel brackets and wires to gradually move teeth into the correct position. Orthodontists across the USA commonly recommend metal braces for children, teens, and adults who need reliable results. The process begins with a thorough dental evaluation, including X-rays and digital scans, to create an individualized treatment plan. In the United States, patients usually visit their orthodontist every 4 to 6 weeks for adjustments, ensuring steady progress. Most Americans wear metal braces for about 18 to 24 months, though the exact timeline depends on the complexity of the case. Modern metal braces are smaller and more comfortable than ever, and many orthodontic offices in the USA offer colorful bands so patients can personalize their look. The average cost for metal braces in America ranges from $3,000 to $7,000, and many dental insurance plans cover a portion of this expense for children and teens. Maintaining excellent oral hygiene is essential while wearing braces. Dentists in the United States recommend brushing after every meal and avoiding foods that are hard or sticky. Metal braces remain the gold standard for achieving a healthy, confident smile in the USA and Canada. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and hit like. This channel is all about teeth, dental health, and oral care. This is educational content only. If you experience any symptoms or concerns, please consult a dentist immediately. Dental Vision 3D Animation